Did you know that your legs are the first to weaken over the years? But the good news is that there are powerful foods that can prevent this and help you maintain your strength and mobility for much longer. Today, I'm going to reveal what these foods are and how they can transform your life. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any more valuable tips like this. Let's take care of your health and quality of life together. As we age, we often feel that our legs begin to lose strength, and this can make it difficult to carry out simple day-to-day activities. But did you know that this can be prevented and even reversed with some dietary changes? Today, I'm going to show you 3 essential foods to strengthen your legs and ensure their mobility for many years. Don't leave there, because this information can transform your health. Here are 3 foods that can make all the difference in keeping your legs strong and healthy, along with detailed guidelines for including them in your routine. 1. Fish rich in omega-3, fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, tuna, and herring, are known for their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in muscle and joint health. These fatty acids are not produced naturally by the body, which means we need to obtain them through diet or supplementation. Benefits of omega-3 for your legs. Reduction of inflammation. Many elderly people suffer from joint pain or muscle stiffness. Omega-3 helps alleviate these conditions, promoting greater comfort during movement. Improved circulation. Good blood circulation is essential for leg muscles to receive oxygen and nutrients. Omega-3 helps in this process, promoting muscle regeneration and preventing weakening. Protection against cardiovascular diseases. Taking care of your heart health is also important to maintain your stamina and ability to move. How to consume fish rich in omega-3. Consume fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week. Try simple recipes, such as grilled salmon with lemon, roasted sardines, or shredded tuna in salads. For those who prefer practical alternatives, canned sardines are a great choice, especially when preserved in olive oil. If you have difficulty consuming fish regularly, talk to your doctor about the possibility of taking omega-3 supplements. Vary the types of fish to take advantage of different flavors and nutrients. 2. Lean proteins. Proteins are essential for building and maintaining muscles, and this becomes even more important in old age. Lean meats, such as chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef, as well as eggs, dairy products, and vegetable proteins, are excellent options to ensure the necessary amount of protein in your diet. Why are proteins so important? Prevention of sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the natural loss of muscle mass that occurs with aging. Consuming proteins helps to slow down this process, support muscle recovery. During physical activities, even light ones, muscles can suffer minor wear. Proteins help repair and strengthen muscle tissues, long-lasting power source. Unlike other nutrients, proteins provide a longer feeling of satiety, maintaining your energy throughout the day. How to include more proteins in your diet. For breakfast, add scrambled or boiled eggs and natural yogurt with chia seeds or fruit. For lunch and dinner, include lean meats, such as grilled chicken or lean beef, accompanied by vegetables and brown rice. In snacks, opt for white cheeses, such as ricotta or cottage, and pair with whole grain toast or fruit. Soup or broths made with shredded chicken are great for those who have difficulty chewing. For a change, try plant-based proteins such as lentils, chickpeas, or tofu, which are also rich in fiber. 3. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, kale, arugula, broccoli, chard, and watercress, are true health allies, especially in old age. They are rich in nutrients that play an essential role in strengthening bones, helping muscles function properly, and protecting against common aging problems. Plus, these foods are easy to find, affordable, and can be prepared in so many delicious ways, making them a must-have in any diet. Why are green leafy vegetables so important? These foods not only complement meals but also offer profound benefits for overall health like strengthening bones. The calcium and vitamin K present in these foods help keep bones strong, reducing the risk of fractures. Protect and strengthen muscles. Muscles also suffer from aging, losing strength and elasticity. However, green leafy vegetables provide nutrients such as magnesium and iron that are essential for protecting and revitalizing muscles. Fight free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that damage the body's cells, accelerating aging and contributing to muscle wasting. Antioxidant vitamins such as vitamin A and C help neutralize free radicals, protecting muscles against damage and promoting faster regeneration after physical activity. Improve mobility and regenerate muscles. Vitamin K, in addition to being essential for bones, also plays a fundamental role in muscle regeneration. It contributes to muscle recovery after exercise or daily activities, allowing you to move more easily and comfortably. How to consume more green leafy vegetables. For those who are not used to including these foods in their diet, there are several practical and tasty ways to add them to daily meals. In salads, combine leaves such as arugula, lettuce, and spinach with other ingredients such as tomatoes, carrots, boiled eggs, and chicken pieces. Use light seasonings such as olive oil, lemon, and balsamic vinegar to enhance the flavor. In green juices, mix spinach or kale with sweet fruits such as pineapple, apple, or orange to balance the flavor. Add ginger or mint for an extra touch of freshness. In soups and broths, spinach and chard mix easily with the ingredients and enrich the dish with nutrients. Use broccoli as a base for creamy soups. Sautéed dishes and side dishes. Sauté kale or chard with garlic and olive oil. Use steamed broccoli as a side dish for meat, fish, or brown rice. Pies and omelets. Add chopped spinach or kale to pie or quiche recipes. Fill omelets with broccoli and cheese for a nutritious breakfast or dinner. 4. Facilitate consumption. Buy pre-washed sheets. Freeze individual portions. Vary the vegetables and include them in several meals. Others benefits are that in addition to strengthening bones and muscles, these vegetables offer improved digestion, strengthening the immune system, heart health, weight control. Keeping your legs healthy and functional is essential to ensure an active and independent life, especially in old age. Consuming green leafy vegetables regularly, combined with fish rich in omega-3s and lean proteins, is an effective strategy for strengthening muscles, protecting bones, and increasing stamina. Remember that nutrition is just one of the pillars of health. To maximize results, stay active with appropriate physical activities, such as walking, stretching, and light resistance exercises. Additionally, drink plenty of water to ensure good hydration, which is also essential for muscle function. If you have questions about how to start these changes, seek guidance from a doctor or nutritionist. They will be able to adapt the suggestions to your specific needs. The most important thing is to take the first step and take care of your body. Take care of your diet today to ensure strong legs, health, and vitality for years to come. You deserve to live with quality and make the most of every moment. Now that you know the foods that can transform the health of your legs, the choice is yours. Will you start taking care of your future today? Every small change can be the difference between living energetically and independently or facing limitations. And if you want more tips like this, subscribe to the channel right now and share this video with the ones you love. Let's spread health and quality of life together.